on TVC News this hour. We're staying with the ongoing internal wranglings within the National Working Committee of the People's Democratic Party. Now the Board of Trustees of the PDP is calling on all sides to sheath their swords and de-escalate the tensions. In a statement signed by the Special Advisor on Media, Ike Noah, the BOT asked warring parties to revert to the status quo so as to preserve the unity and stability of the PDP. The BOT adds that while disagreements may arise, but as a party with a long-standing tradition of internal democracy, members mustn't let these challenges derail the party's collective vision. The Board of Trustees says it's now set to meet with the members of the Working Committee to intervene and ensure normalcy is restored. Meanwhile, the Federal High Court in Abuja has restrained the National Executive Committee and Board of Trustees of the People's Democratic Party from removing Umar Damagum as the acting national chairman of the party. The court ordered that no other person must be recognized as PDP's national chairman other than Mr. Damagum until the national convention of the party scheduled for December of 2025. Justice Peter Lifu, while delivering judgments virtually, issued the restraining order against the PDP's National Executive Council, the Board of Trustees, and other persons in a suit instituted against them by Senator Umar Mena. The judge held that in line with Articles 42, 47, and 67 of the PDP's constitution, it's only during the national convention of the party that national officers can be elected. Away from that now, Chairman of the All Progressives Congress in Edo State, Jared Tenebe, has disclosed serious concerns of potential security threats posed by opposition party members during the inspection of materials for the just concluded governorship election. Briefing journalists in Benin City, Mr. Tenebe expressed the party's fears and revealed that APC may be compelled to seek alternative security measures for their legal team and party members if they decide to participate in the scheduled inspection of election materials set for next Monday.
The brazen gun attack on supporters of APC yesterday at INEC office by same criminals that murdered Inspector Ako Onu confirmed the danger we have been facing since the tribunal granted us access to inspect materials that were used for the September 21st, 2024 election. In the light of the prevailing circumstances, the All Progressive Congress demand the arrest and prosecution of those that planned and executed the attack on our members yesterday at INEC office. We add also that we are unable to guarantee the APC continuous participation in the inspection exercise in INEC office. If and when we decide to take part, the APC as a party shall provide alternative security for our members and legal team during the period the exercise will last.
And still talking politics, the local government chapters of the All Progressives Congress in Ekeremo and Southern Ijaw have suspended the Minister of State for Petroleum Resources, Oil, Hanneke Lopobiri, along with the 2019 governorship candidate David Lyon and others. This is due to their alleged involvement in activities against the party and other alleged serious misconduct. Joseph Kunde has details.
During a press briefing in Yenagoa, members of the All Progressives Congress from the Southern Ijaw and Ekeremo local government area announced significant decisions. They confirmed the suspension of several prominent figures, including the Ministry of State for Petroleum Resources, Oil, Hanneke Lopobiri, the 2019 governorship candidate, David Lyon, former party chairman, Jotam Amos, 2 sitting commissioners, and others, citing violations of the party's constitution and involvement in anti-party activities.
We, the executive of All Progressive Congress, APC Southern Ijaw Local Government Area of Bayelsa State, have considered a report of the disciplinary committee set up in accordance with Article 21(3)(1) of our party constitution 2022 as amended. hereby resolve to suspend the following stakeholders.
It is on this note that we, the undersigned executive of the Keremo Local Government Area, APC, hereby suspend Enikin Lukobri and Engineer Karim Kumuko indefinitely.
In response, some party leaders contested the suspensions, claiming that the APC currently lacks valid executives due to the withdrawal of a legal case, which they argue nullifies the disciplinary actions.
Bayelsa State APC, as it remains, there is no working executive committees from the state to the local government, to the ward level. Claim to have a stay of execution. There is no stay of execution, they withdraw it. The national is aware.
The judgment is alive and is still valid. As it stands now, Bayelsa State does not have valid ESCO from the state to the ward level.
With these internal decisions surfacing, there is growing anticipation for the National Working Committee of the APC to wade into the matter. Joseph Kunde, TVC News, Yenagoa.
Away from politics now, the Nigeria Immigration Service Kebbi State Command has held a decoration ceremony for newly promoted officers at the command's headquarters in Benin, Kebbi. The ceremony was attended by traditional leaders, top officials, colleagues, and family members of the promoted officers. Comptroller of Customs, Kebbi Command, Seidu Daura, highlighted the work the Kebbi State Command has achieved in recent times, assuring that the service is committed to enhancing national security and promoting professionalism within its ranks.
We have to work hard. We have done, we have excelled, you improve, and we have gotten the promotion. So, where much is given, much more is expected. Officers are expected to be hardworking, extra hardworking, and they should take care of their family, and they should be dedicated in their job. And today, I think officers that were decorated or were decorating here, they're happy, and we urge them that they should add extra hardworking in what they are doing.
Health matters now, where Seyi Tinubu, through his child and maternal health care intervention, has inaugurated a drug bank for indigent patients at the Lagos University Teaching Hospital in Diaraba in Lagos. The national coordinator for the Seyi Tinubu Child and Maternal Health Care Initiative, Dr. Benson Ayodele Cole, says the drug bank represents more than just a collection of medicines, but a commitment to dignity, equality, and the fundamental human rights to healthcare. He adds that the initiative will also provide free medicines and delivery materials to indigent patients in obstetrics, gynecology, and pediatrics departments at the hospital.
We noticed that in most hospitals, one of the reasons that we record maternal death and death of children, neonates under 5, are usually because of inability to pay for medical supplies, inability to pay for their drug, for their treatment. So Mr. Seyi Tinubu, in recognition of these difficulties that patients face in most public hospitals, has launched this initiative, which is to stem down maternal and child mortality in Nigeria. It is strictly for the indigent patients, people who are not able to pay for drug treatment at the time of need.
Another additional thing the same foundation and Mr. Tinubu has done, recognizing one of our best senior registrars, not only the best senior registrar in pediatrics. This is a young man who performed excellently well during COVID-19 between 2020 and 2021. He was part of the team that delivered about 15 patients for mothers with COVID-19. And he was just doing his work. We didn't know this time it's going to come. And that's why we tell our staff, continue to do your best. You are going to get your reward anyhow somehow.